He helped me.
Hi guys. We're
This is
back.
part 3.
Oh, we're back. And now we're gonna be trying. Are these things
Mommy,
moving?
can you help me?
We're gonna have to get another one, baby.
Can someone try this for me? Because I'm about to try it.
You gotta dip it in the butter.
I'm not dipping nothing in the butter. If it's this, oh, I'm gonna be trying some women. Y'all don't laugh at my reaction. I'm gonna be trying a lemon, a
See 'em?
real lemon. You ready? 3, 2.
Oh.
Everyone, look at my look at my reaction from me trying lemon.
Uh-huh.
3, 2, 1.
You eat crawfish too?
Girl, she love them.
You know this?
Yeah. That's good.
3, 2, 1. Everyone look. Where's lemon?
On the table.
Get out you get. Get out you get. Yeah, out you get.
I am.
Beat your sister.
I am. What did you say?
Thank you.
Where's my other one?
You need one too?
I'm gonna get the biggest one out of. Oh.
Thank you.
Why don't she like? Does she work at Tea Around Town?
If she works at Share Around Town, she'll be at work right now, right?
But don't you guys have breaks? Oh, this one.
This is nice. I need to scoop my iPhone. It goes to maximally 10 minutes. And guess what? Those other YouTube goes to like 11 minutes. That's not fair. Other YouTubers.
You want it? I saved you guys' life. Oh.
Hello? Huh? Nothing. What's up?
I tried this for the first time. Okay, let's try it. Are you eating it?
Buzz balls?
It's right there. It's right there.
Yeah.
That's a bug ball. Okay, that was. I need
Tell them
to-
give you a buzz ball
I
and one
need to
B-box.
fill
Yeah, they'll come back and do it. B-box. Alright. I'm gonna call you when the kids came at 8.
Angel, stop putting that on me. I'm raising up my hand to my.
You don't have to raise it up. He'll be out here. Scoot your chair over that way. Scoot your chair.
Guys, my sister's a little bit angry.
Like if my sister's ID and subscribe if I'm ID. And comment if we're both not.
There you go, Angel. Tell me. There you go.
Sorry?
Can you fill up my drink?
Yeah, I sure can. I'm gonna let you grab the straw.
Why do they always say grab the strawberry? Why can't they just grab it?
If they don't want to put their hands where your lips go.
Why can't they just put gloves on?
Because they touch the gloves. So that's why nobody licks the gloves. You see mommy licking her glove? No. Next time, can Auntie Grace do our nails? Mommy, can Auntie Grace do our nails next time? Is she going to be a nail stylist?
Here you go. You're welcome.
You don't need a refill. They fill it up like so. Hey, I got the wrench on, and I just tasted it. But it tastes too wrenchy. So, I'm not going to taste that again. Like, that was wrenchy, and it was benchy, and it was sunchy, and it was benchy, 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 and it was sensy, and it was benchy, and it was...
Name 5 energies.
Huh?
Name 5 energies.
Electrical energy,
Yeah.
kinetic energy, sound energy without 3,
Yes.
lyrical energy.
And kinetic energy.
I already said that. Last one.
Potential energy.
Solar energy.
I already said potential.
That was mine, and now it's Ariel's turn.
What does potential energy do?
Potential energy smell like your perfume.
Huh?
Oh, I just kidding.
What's renewable energy?
And no, wait, yeah, renewable energy. It's renewable sources. There's no renewable energy.
What is non-renewable energy?
Non-renewable sources? Non-renewable sources is like this food.
Give me an example.
Like us eating our, if we have crabs and we finish all of it, and if we want more, you can just throw the crabs back out and eat them again. You have to buy more. It's an example.
Good job.
Andrew doesn't know non-renewable.
Ow.
What happened?
When Angel was pulling off the crab, the thing, like this, it scratched my.
Angel, take some crabs and put them on your plate. Put it over your plate.
She just taking off these hands from me.
Who was that?
So guys, bye. I'll see you next time. Bye. Angel, bye guys. Bye guys.
I have to eat with my babies.
Say it towards me.